welcome to our YouTube channel English Up by Lakshmi. Today, I am going to introduce an interesting person like Keshav. Our topic is, how you will use that internet. Yeah, thank you. Keshav, could you please introduce about yourself?
Yes, thanks for giving me this opportunity. I'm really glad to be here on your YouTube channel. My name is Kaishar Firoz. I'm from Jharkhand in India. By profession, I'm a mechanical engineer, work as a welding supervisor. On the other hand, I teach basic English.
Okay,
This is
okay.
all about me.
Yeah, sounds good, Keshav, and I'm very happy to be a part of in my YouTube channel for you. Thank you so much for you. Then, Keshav, do you often go online?
Yeah, actually, internet is something that everybody needs. Everybody has to use internet less or more.
Yeah.
So I'm the one who uses internet continuously.
Okay, good, good. Then what purpose you will use what's your website and what's your favorite YouTube channel? What's your favorite website?
So actually my favorite website is YouTube.
Oh, good,
Most of the time I use YouTube to learn something new.
great.
I will add something here that everything has its advantages and disadvantages. So
Yeah,
internet has the same. So it's all about an individual, about their purpose, whether they are using internet to kill their time or whether they are using internet to explore something new. So I'm
exactly.
the I'm sorry, I'm an innovative person who always try to make some changes in his life. Because of this reason I use internet every single day.
Great, great. Like, which is your favorite channel in you know, you only said to me, like, no, YouTube is a favorite. Like, which is channel you do you no fond of that channel? What is the channel name? For what
Interactive
purpose
English.
YouTube?
Yeah, interactive English. The honor of the honor of this channel from USA I like
Okay,
the most. I have learned many things from that channel. So that's
great.
why I like the most that channel. That is one of my favorite channels. There are so many, but that one favorite one.
Great, great. Okay, do you use often, net internet for, learning, no, improving your communication skills and you tell me like about that apps, some English learning apps or any YouTube channels or any websites.
Actually, Lakshmi ma'am, since I started learning English, it's been around 2 years. I
Oh,
have
great.
used so many applications, but Hello application is one of them. Hello application is one of the best application to learn English.
Yeah,
I have never used an application like Hello.
great.
So I will recommend everybody who really wants to learn English, they should use Hello application in order to enhance their skill in English language.
Yeah, good. I think it's a free of cost. I think no need to pay money to or no talk to others. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah. There is there are two options. If you practice one by one, okay, if you want to have conversation separately, you don't need to pay any amount of money. But on the other hand, there is a option in which you can talk to teacher across the globe, UK, USA. It will cost $10 per month.
Yeah, exactly. Good. Then tell me, Keshar, some advantages and disadvantages of internet, like whatever you know, and share with us.
So, as per my understanding, internet is the platform where you can get everything,
Yeah, exactly.
good thing as well as bad thing.
Yeah,
Okay, so according to according to my point of view, advantages are those. like you can learn something, you can explore something. If you want to get something new, you can search on internet. But
Yeah,
on the other hand, you can see there are many disadvantages as well, which is not good for especially children,
exactly.
like pornography, mobile games that spoils children's mind.
Yeah.
That's what I believe.
Great, great. Currently, internet is very, very useful for everyone. Why? Because of, after lockdown, after like when we are like, feeling, suffering of that virus, like it's very useful nowadays, like almost all people are taking online classes, like particularly children, and after that doing like work from home. It's like net is very useful nowadays.
So, yeah, actually, Lakshmi ma'am, I want to say something that everything has its own advantages and disadvantages.
Exactly.
So, internet has the same. So,
Yeah.
it depends on an individual whether they are using in a productive way or destructive way. It's
Yeah,
all depend on an individual.
exactly. Yeah, like in your point of view, like no, you are giving like no, your children are taking online classes and listening and everything, like by without like unsupervised, without our presence, is it good for children, like using net and everything?
Actually, it very well that children have a small mindset.
Yeah,
Okay, they learn from atmosphere, their surrounding. If they are using internet in proper way, definitely they will learn something new. Okay, on the other hand, you can see on the internet, for example, while taking class, they are talking to their teacher.
yeah,
Okay, but on the other hand, whenever parents don't keep an eye on them, they start playing mobile games, which
everything. Yeah,
spoils their mind.
exactly.
They get away from their study. So this
Sure,
is
sure.
this is responsibility of parents,
Exactly.
whether they are taking care of their children in proper manner or not.
Yeah,
So
exactly. Even yeah, yeah. Please carry on, carry on.
yeah, we can't say that everything has importance or disimportance as well.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah,
In my point of view, particularly for children, whoever is taking online classes for children, definitely as a parent, we have to sit beside of them. Otherwise,
yeah,
without our presence, they can't know. They want like they can't blindly. We can't give that like a net and everything. Without our presence they can't listen, even though they are wandering this and there, and they are pressing, they are like no clicking on these things, other things, they will spoil, they will not concentrate on their online classes. For that reason we have to stay beside of them, and we have to take care of it about them. And particularly net, we are using like no our laptops and our like desktops. For them it's very, some videos will automatically, some unwanted videos will come out. By seeing
yeah,
that children, they will mindset, their mindset will like no deviate from that things. That is the reason we have to like no from KG to PG, we have to take care of that no children and students also. It's very important as a
yeah.
parent. Yeah.
So, Lakshmi ma'am, let me tell you one thing. You know it very well that we are surrounded by distractions
Exactly.
that don't let us get success.
Yeah.
Okay, distraction may come from anywhere.
Sure.
It may come from your surrounding, it may come from internet, it may come from your family members, relatives. So we should be determined
Yeah.
whether we are on the right path or not. For
Yeah.
example, English is a language that everybody wants to speak. Even though you will see only less number of people can speak English fluently.
Yeah.
What is the
Exactly.
actual reason?
Yeah.
Okay, we have been taught since childhood English as a subject. We don't
Yeah.
take it, yeah, we don't take it as a language. So
Exactly. Exactly.
as we are from India, we have given a lot of importance to English language, even though only less number of people can speak English
Yeah.
due to distraction.
Oh, okay, okay. No, at the same time, whatever you said, like you said, like I agree with you. At the same time, like from childhood, from childhood onwards, we are learning language. It's a one of the subject like for to all. At that time, we don't know the value of language. Like it's not necessary at that time. It's not necessary, but nowadays it's a very necessary to improve our language, to be like communicate with others, and to be a perfecter, like to be a fluent speaker. It's very important by
I
using that.
don't think so. I don't
Yeah.
think so. Being fluent is really important. It's all depend on an individual. It's
Yeah,
all about their needs.
exactly,
For
exactly.
example, you are a farmer. Why do you need to learn English? You have to work on farm only.
Yeah, not for farmers,
Yeah.
yeah,
For
whoever,
example, for
yeah,
example, people like me. I want to get a better job. I want to be an English teacher of English.
okay.
So English is necessary for me, but not for everybody.
No, what I mean to say means for educated people, for like no whoever wants to do job, for that people from compulsory, like even a small job also they will ask like first interview question, tell about yourself. It's like for educated people, it's like English is very, very important. By using internet, we will learn, like a lot of things from YouTube, from, Google, whatever it may be, like from internet, like after, like particularly this lockdown time, like coronavirus time, we are using net a lot. There is like,
Yeah,
no, what you said, like, no, it's all like all advantages. Nowadays, it's all advantages. Maybe like put aside of that other, disadvantages. It's like, no, overall, it's very useful for us. Like after lockdown, net are using
yeah,
nowadays, net, and very, very important for everyone.
absolutely right.
Yeah,
So I will say only one thing is that we have been slave of technology.
exactly. We addicted to that.
Without technology, we can't even live a single day.
Exactly.
Okay, so
Without,
internet is one of them.
yeah, yeah. Internet is
We
one of.
can, we can live without food, but we cannot live without internet.
Exactly, exactly. This is what I want to say, but you said to me, yeah, without internet we can't live. At the same time, like it is one part of in our life, everyone life. Net,
Yeah,
if we have no net, like a net balance like on our mobile, then what is the use of that mobile? What is the use of that laptop or desktop?
now you can see with the help of internet we are talking to each other. We are having
Exactly,
conversation between each
exactly.
other.
Yeah, yeah. It's a like
So,
yeah, it's a boon to us, and it's very useful for us, everyone.
boon and ban. You can't
Yeah.
say that only boon. Boon and ban.
Yeah, particularly this time it's a boon for everyone. Why? Because like we can't go outside. Like lockdown is there. Then like without net, how we can learn? How we will give online classes for our kids? How we will interact with each other?
You know, Lakshmi ma'am, I always consider internet for me
Yeah,
boon as well as ban.
exactly.
Why consider it as a boon? Let me tell you. With the help of internet, I can do anything.
Okay.
Okay, I can search anything, I can learn anything. Why it is banned for me? Let me tell you. Because since I started using internet, okay, interaction of my family became less. I don't want to spend my time with my family members, but on internet.
Yeah, it is a one disadvantages. Exactly, exactly. We kill our time automatically. Using internet, we kill our time. Unknowingly, we kill our time. Definitely, I agree with you. At the same time, we are taking online class and we are doing interactions now. Like what, how we are doing interactions, and how we are like no work from home. For that, all these people, I know net is very, very useful for us.
Yeah,
Yeah, for
absolutely.
all. Yeah, for all. Yeah. And thank you, Keshar, and like thank you so much. Be a part of in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Yeah, thank
I'm
you for.
really I'm really glad to be here. This is honor for me.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I enjoyed a lot on your channel. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
giving me this opportunity.
Thank
I
you.
will
Thank
be
you.
grateful to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I hope you love our conversation and yeah, if you love our conversation, please like, share and comment and please do subscribe for your motivation. I want your motivation to give more and more updation, like that. Okay. Yeah. Keep watching. Thank you. Okay. Keep learning. Okay. Be optimistic and be energetic and active person for learning. Yeah. Have a great day. Stay home. Stay safe. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay. Have a great day and let's catch up with another new video. Keep smiling. All the best for your bright future. Yeah. Bye, Keshav. Let's catch
Bye,
up with
bye,
another
bye.
video. Let's meet another time. Yeah. Bye bye. Take
Yeah,
care.
bye, 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 bye.
Thank you for watching everyone. Bye for everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.